Okay, so in this question we're asked, which of the following fractions is nearest the value to a quarter? And then we're given 4 fractions. Now the common way to do this is we've got to turn all of these into either fractions with a common denominator, or decimals, or percentages, and then compare them once they are all in the same format. So the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to convert them all into fractions with a common denominator. Now, so we need a common denominator. So the common denominator between all of these is 60. So we can turn all of them into something over 60. Okay, so 4 goes into 60 15 times, so that's the same as 15 over 60. Now 3 over 10, so I'm going to turn that into 60, I'm going to multiply 10 by 6. So I'm going to multiply the 3 by 6, and that gives me 18. To turn the 20 into 6, I need to multiply by 3, so I'm going to multiply the 7 by 3, 21. To turn the 15 into 60, I've got to multiply it by 4. So I've got to multiply the 4 by 4, 16. And this is already over 60. And now what I'm doing is saying which of those is closest to 15 sixteenths. And of course it's this one. Okay, so you put down the answer 4 15ths. You shouldn't really put down 16 sixtieths because they asked you which of these, and you've got to pick one of those. Okay. Write down the meaning of, and then we're given 0.57, and 5 and 7 have a dot above it. Now, this is a way of writing down recurring decimals, and what the examiner is looking for you is to write this down as a recurring decimal. Okay, so what a recurring decimal means is the number with the first dot and numbers, that's numbers that repeat. In between those two dots are the numbers that keep repeating forever. So we just write it out several times, and then we do a number of dots to show that it continues on forever. Okay. Now some people commonly here would have just written out this is a recurring decimal, or the 5 and 7 repeat every time, but you've been actually asked to write down the decimal, and that's what the examiner is actually asking you for.